Hey guys, today is Tuesday, May 26th. Today you have a work day to work on your revisions and edits for your paper. So to go through your paper and look at the comments that I left for you, you'll have to go down to the independent reading unit and then click on down here where it says theme paper rough draft. Click on this and then bring up your paper and it should have comments on there. I went through over the weekend and commented on all of them. So make sure that you can see the comments. If you can't see the comments, let me know so that I can help you figure it out so that you know what you need to be working on. One other thing that you should be doing today is you should get somebody else to read it. So either share your paper with a friend or have your parents read it over, or a brother or sister or somebody that you trust, and have them give you some feedback as well. The more eyes you can get on this thing, the better. Then as you're working on it, make sure that you're looking over the rubric. I have it right here. Go through this rubric so that you can see what is going to be expected of you and how you are going to be graded when this thing is turned in. Your final paper is due on Thursday. So you'll have today, tomorrow, and Thursday to work on it, and then it's due on Thursday by midnight. It's worth 100 points in the summative category. Then for our last week of school, you guys, starting on Friday, you guys will start working on your presentations. You'll record your presentations and submit them, and then you're done with 10th grade. Let me know if you have questions while you're working on the paper. Otherwise, have a great day.